Matt Rife is a comedian and an American actor. Rife currently resides in Los Angeles, California. Rife briefly dated English actress Kate Beckinsale in 2017 and 2018. Matt Rife was born in Columbus, Ohio and grew up in North Lewisburg. He also lived in New Albany and Mount Vernon. Rife first took an interest in comedy at 14 years old when a teacher said that there would be a talent show at his high school. After a friend encouraged him, he did the show and started performing professionally a year later at 15. He has 4 siblings, 3 older stepsisters and 1 younger half-sister. Rife has been appearing in TV shows and movies for almost a decade, but his viral comedy clips on TikTok have helped him reach internet fame. As an actor, he is known for his guest roles on the sketch comedy and improv game show series Wild 'N Out, as Brandon Bliss on the comedy television series Brooklyn Nine-Nine, and as Logan on the sitcom television series Fresh Off the Boat. The brilliant actor has won millions of hearts with his amazing acting skills. In April 2023, he released a self-titled special Matthew Stephen Rife on Valentine's Day. He then released another special in June 2023 titled Working Red Flag, focusing on crowd work. Rife states that he created an entire special surrounding the topic of audience red flags in order to stop audiences from interrupting his future sets with the beat. In 2017, he was a host on the short-lived reboot of Total Request Live and appeared on MTV's The Challenge Champs vs. Stars. Rife is also a paranormal investigator featured on the YouTube channel Overnight. In December 2022, Rife signed with creative artist agency CAA. He is still working very hard to enhance his acting skills to present himself in a much better way in the future.